things.
How are you? Can you remember me your names, please? It's Rolando. Jason.
I'm Johnny.
Hi, Graham.
I'm James.
Also, you remember us, no?
I'm Romina.
I'm Victoria.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
I feel so.
Oh, here is so hot. Let's
Oh,
go
yes.
outside.
Yes.
One time I dreamed that I was Me too.
No, well, okay.
Well, I used to dream to be an astronaut.
And I used to dream to be a soccer player.
I used to dream to be an NBA player.
I used to dream
You
that
should be
I was
one.
a tennis player.
Yeah, but I don't like that. It's about me.
Oh, I have a message. I gotta go.
Oh, so lovely. Bye.
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 You remember when we played Hot Cans?
Yeah,
Yes. Let's play.
That was a good game.
Wow, it's amazing.
Wow! You got your head. Do you remember the game that we played like?
That's right.
Okay.
Omara.
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 Omara. Hammer.
Cámara.
I got you.
The girls used to wear bell bottom jeans.
Yeah, when we use yayos and that kind of stuff.
Oh, it was very crazy that. What about you?
And when we had, let me see,
What do you wear?
Long hair.
long hair, yes, long hair.
Yeah.
Now we used to have
the
long hair.
style.
Yes,
And that weird styles of hair, like
yes, so crazy like.
Like the bees,
How about
like this.
like
Like Jimmy's
puffs.
ones.
How about
And
you?
today is like Jason Harris.
Yeah, like soldiers.
Yes, like
Soldiers.
I remember the bubble tea, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Bubble tea. No, bubble tea.
Actually,
and that is.
No.
No, that is.
James, no. Did you remember the Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
the Coca-Cola.
I remember when I was little, I used to drink Coca-Cola all day.
Oh, I remember the
I drink Pepsi.
cyborgs.
Ah, yes, drivers.
Ah.
Like our grandmas and grandfathers used to.
Sideburns.
Yes.
I have a friend.
Or the mustache. That's it, the mustache.
Ah.
It was so crazy that where it was like, or when we take photos like this. You remember?
You
Oh,
ride bicycles, they love cars and motorcycles.
Yeah.
oh yeah. And then when we are like doing crazy faces, when we are in the photo like boxers,
Duck face.
that face. I'm crazy. Oh, I have to go.
Oh, me too.
Oh, wait, it was a pleasure.
Yeah.